Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Canva app for video editing. To begin, simply open the Canva app on your device and select the video option to start a new project. You can choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates or opt for a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Next, easily upload your own video clips and images from your device directly into your project, making your media readily available for editing. Once your media is imported, you can start editing. Use the trim and split tools to precisely cut your video clips, removing any unnecessary footage and perfecting your timing. Easily adjust the duration, playback speed, and audio volume of each clip to achieve your desired effect. Don't forget to add smooth transitions between your scenes. Canva offers dozens of options to make your video flow seamlessly from one moment to the next. To truly make your video stand out, enhance it with various elements. Add engaging text overlays, graphics, and animated stickers to convey your message effectively. Explore Canva's vast library, featuring millions of stock photos, videos, and audio tracks to enrich your content. Furthermore, apply a wide range of filters and effects to adjust the visual style, mood, and overall aesthetic of your video, giving it a unique and professional touch. Before finalizing, always preview your entire video to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and timed, from your clips to your added elements. When you are satisfied, select your preferred resolution, such as 1080 pixels for high definition, and choose a suitable file type like MP4. Finally, download your finished video directly to your device or effortlessly share it across various social media platforms, showcasing your creative work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.